Welcome back to Trinidad Carnival, the mother of all carnivals. My name is Azalea Hart. Now, there is never ever a shortage of things to eat here in Port of Spain, but now there's even more. I'm at the newest food court, Woodbrook Yard, and I want to check this place out. I've been dying to land in Trinidad just to come here. So I see a spot already. Let's go. There are several different vendors here, and I think that's what makes this place so popular. You can get Asian street food fusion. You can get jam and juice right here. There's jerk, there's burgers, there's so much more. We're gonna go inside and explore a little bit more. What's your most popular drink? Mileva. Okay, I'll get that. I'll get Mileva. So you may have heard what I ordered already. I ordered the Mileva. This one is guava, mango, strawberry, banana, and apparently it's the most popular. I see why. Hi. What is your most popular item?
Burrito bowl.
Which one?
Burrito bowl.
Oh, the burrito bowl.
Yeah.
All right, let's do the burrito bowl with shrimp. Spicy is good. Placing it with intention, I like that. Thanks. So there's levels to this dish. It's starting off with cilantro lime rice. Then we're going in with black pinto beans. We're getting a corn salsa, a spicy salsa, which does definitely have a kick to it. We have lettuce in here, and then I did all of the sauces. Ask me what the sauces are, I don't know, but it's sauce, I want to add it on. So the menu has 3 different portions, the mains, the snacks, and the sweets. Immediately what caught my eye, duck wontons. I'm a wonton fanatic, and then I love duck. So obviously, let's put the 2 together and let's order that. Thank you. I'm so excited for these. So when I ordered the duck wontons, you immediately said they were amazing. Tell us why they are so amazing.
Now, when you think of wontons, you automatically think of shrimp, you think of chicken, but FIKA does this thing where they just go completely out of the box. So we decided to fuse one of the flavors that we know Trinidadians love with another thing that we know that they love, and we got the duck wonton.
Okay, so why this sauce? This is like a Thai chili sauce or
It's
sweet
an
chili?
Asian influence. So FIKA does like a fusion when it comes to their menu. It's constantly evolving, constantly changing. So you're never gonna see the same thing like twice.
So right now you guys are a pop-up here at Woodbrook Yard. How long are you gonna be here for?
For the rest of this week, we'll be here until Saturday.
Okay, and then where are you otherwise?
We have a ghost kitchen right now, so FIKA is completely online. Hopefully in the future we might have a spot, but for now you could find us on Instagram and Facebook.
Okay, where's the tag?
FIKA.
Just FIKA. Okay, and so where did the influence come from for this menu?
So this menu is basically a love child of Chef Jerry's. Chef Jerry is from Trinidad, but he was trained in Sweden. So there's a lot of Swedish influences when it comes to the menu, but he also tries to bring it back home. So you'll see like a little bit of everything.
Okay, so we have the duck wontons, but what would you say is the one thing that people have to order?
Oh, that shrimp roll.
The shrimp roll.
Shrimp.
Okay, and that's a main.
Yes,
That's a main. Okay, this is a snack.
Yeah, that's a snack. A cutter.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I told you these were wrapped with love. Look how cute this is. I'm gonna dip it in the sauce. Then I'm gonna bite it in half so you can see the inside. You hear that crunch? Oh, look at that. These are so tasty. They're still very hot. You know they were freshly made. These are definitely a win. So we're still making our entire way around Woodbrook Yard. Now I'm here at Wild Tame Blue Food, and we decided to get a little adventurous here. So they have a lot of wild meats. They have deer, manaku, agouti, iguana, wild hog, tattoo, None of these things have I ever had, have ever thought of eating, but today I thought about it and we're gonna do it. So I got iguana. We're gonna try it. Okay, so Badawi and I have decided on one wild meat. As I mentioned before, we decided iguana was the most normal of the list.
The safest.
The safest bet.
Yeah.
But now opening it, I'm not too sure because, and the reason why I say this is you could really see the scales on the skin here. But it smells good and it looks great. I'm seeing the scales.
Yeah, scales kind of
and I
off-putting.
assume this is like the tail.
Yeah, kind of off-putting.
It's a little off-putting, but we're gonna go for it. As long as I don't see the head, I think I'm fine.
All right.
Okay, but this is a bone. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
Wow,
so,
you took a small piece.
Yeah, going safe, But yeah, you see the scales, yeah.
So this is the tail sliced up. You can tell it gets from this wider one down to the thinner one.
Smell like curry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which I love.
Curry, right? So
And I feel like when you curry anything, it's
it
gonna be
should
good.
Definitely. So yeah, cheers to
All
first
right.
time.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is real good.
this is good.
Delicious.
This is really good.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay, I'm blown away.
Yeah.
See, don't let the name of something turn you off.
Yeah.
Just go for it. Try something. This is great.
You might think that the scales okay are like a weird texture or something or weird mouthfeel, but no, yeah.
No, that was enjoyable. It's not thin or as lean as say chicken or turkey would be. It has a scaling, it kind of not a scaliness, but it has a texture of maybe goat. When
Right.
would you say
Because
goat?
it's like an gaminess, maybe.
Yeah, a little bit of a
but
gaminess.
Definitely the flavor of it. Actually, as I said, turkey. Like turkey leg or turkey thighs, like the dark meat.
Yes.
On turkey.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Kind of reminiscent of the dark meat side of it.
Okay.
Yeah. Wasn't bad at all,
Not
actually. Better than not bad. It was actually enjoyable.
It was very enjoyable.
You going
I
in
just need
again?
a little bit more pepper. Yeah, I'm going in. Let's go. But I'm still a little bit nervous about the pieces that we're choosing is the thing.
All right, I went for a bigger pieces then.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it is bony, by the way.
Yeah. And some bone.
Okay.
It's like dark meat. Yeah. So that's why I say kind of like thigh.
Right.
Turkey thigh or turkey leg. Yeah. Yeah. Flavorful. Again, as I say, the curry
Yeah.
anything,
Right.
it's bound to taste good.
So we've made our way to Uncle Monts, and I think what we're gonna do here is the classic single beef burger. Maybe a couple add-ons. We have some options here: pickled jalapenos, pineapple, cheese, bacon. I really like pineapple on a burger, so let's go for that. So we'll do just a single beef burger and add on pineapple. Do you think we should add on anything else? What would make it look pretty?
Bacon.
The bacon?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And then does it come with, like lettuce, tomato?
It comes with lettuce and caramelized onions.
Okay.
Would you
Okay.
like to have that?
Do you eat bacon? Okay, great. So
Yeah?
we'll do bacon. Yes,
So
thank you.
bacon and wine?
Yes, please.
Cheese?
Yes, sure. The prettiest. We want the prettiest. Thank you.
Yeah, we open everything.
Secured the bag. Look at that. You can't have this anymore. I'm gonna. So what's so special about Uncle Monts is all of their burgers are made fresh from them. So this bacon cheeseburger, this meat, it's a smash burger, number one. So you know it's already amazing. You can already see the caramelization around the edges, so you know it's crispy for that first bite. They actually cut up the bacon inside of the ground beef and then they press it. I know, mind blowing. Then we have cheese on here. We have red onions. We have even more bacon on top. Then we went in with some jalapenos and pineapple. There's also your classic lettuce tomato on there as well. It's just a beautiful, massive, colorful burger. Oh my goodness. And I think this is actually the 4-ounce burger. So this is the smallest one. You could get 6 ounces. You could get double pattied. It's a lot. It's a lot of burger over here. Let's go in for that bite. Let's try to be as clean as possible. There's also a secret sauce on here that you can only get from Uncle Monts. They will not tell us what's in it. All you know, it's delicious, it's sweet, it's spicy, when you can only get it from them. So we're at Jerk Boyz and they have a lot of things that are jerked. We have a jerk lamb, jerk pork, but we're gonna go with jerk chicken right now. There are other options as well, but let's go classic, classy and classic. So we're gonna get breast and wing and some festival. And also, by the way, I heard this is the best festival that you can get outside of Jamaica in Trinidad. We're gonna add only jerk sauce on it, but there are other options. There's ketchup, there's garlic sauce, there's pepper sauce. So we went with the jerk chicken breast and wing, and the breast actually looks very moist, so that you love to see in chicken breast. We drizzled some jerk seasoning on top, and for our side, we went with the festival. As I mentioned earlier, I was told that the festival from Jerk Boyz is supposed to be the best outside of Jamaica. So, obviously, we had to try that. Number one thing I noticed, good girth. It's crispy. It's doing all the things it's supposed to do, but now we gotta judge the taste. Warm, crispy, sweet, not overly sweet, the right amount. Okay. We need some jerk seasoning on it. That's the sweet spot. Okay, so I said it looks moist, but isn't moist. Two different things. Oh, look at that char on there. That is a beautiful thing. My mouth is already watering. Here we go. It's moist. And maybe converted from a leg and thigh to a breast and wing. So I hear that there's a lot of history behind Quan. Can you please explain?
Yeah, sure, absolutely. It's a family business that was started somewhere around the 1950s by my grandfather when he came from China. So I'm actually the third generation to do crispy skin pork. We just do it a little bit differently, and we took it out of Princestown, brought it first to Grand Bazaar. I have another branch in Couva, and here we are in Port of Spain.
So what makes it so different?
I think it's our seasoning. It's the love. It's the seasoning every piece. It's ensuring that there is consistency in the quality and the process.
And the passing it down from generation to generation.
That has a little bit to do with it, yes.
So what made you move from Princestown to come into Woodbrook now?
Because there are other family members in Princestown, and I felt it was saturated. And there's a whole Trinidad out there with different experiences and opportunities. Well, so I was given a chance to come to Port of Spain, and I took it.
Okay, well, I'm happy you're here because now I get to try it. I would not have tried it if it was in Princestown. So
Awesome.
I'm happy you're in Woodbrook.
Yeah, me too.
I'm going to try it today.
All
And
right.
it looks good. My mouth is already watering a lot. Let's go.
Awesome. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, wait. Which one do you suggest out of all?
The crispy skin pork. You have to try the crispy skin. You should definitely try the pepper pork as well.
Okay.
We only added it to the menu maybe 2 years ago, 3 years ago.
Okay.
Yeah, 3 years, pre-COVID.
So is it the crispy pork and then it's kind of put into a wok with some
Yes,
peppers?
exactly. We
Okay.
don't use the skin though because the skin gets soft.
Okay.
So we just toss the meat up with some onions and hot pepper, some shadow benny, some seasonings. It's pretty good.
So for
Not
people-
super spicy.
For people who are like, oh, I don't eat swine, I don't eat pork, how do you kind of bring them over?
Like my Muslim husband. Everybody can't be perfect.
Yeah,
They don't eat pork. They don't eat pork. That's okay.
that's okay.
So this one is our pepper pork.
Whoa,
So you see,
this
it's the
looks
meat
good.
pieces and it's tossed up with onions and stuff like that in the wok.
Right.
And then this one, this is what we're known for.
This is the
our
classic.
crispy skin roast pork.
I know you hear that crunch. That's good.
That's good? Awesome. I'm glad you like it.
Because you know sometimes you can buy pork and it'll have that
Porkiness.
porky. This doesn't.
No, it
It
doesn't.
is enjoyable. But I'm a sauce girl. So
Let's do that. Let's do that. So this one is our pork sauce. Do you
Okay.
want pepper or no?
For sure. Always.
So let's do, and this is of course homemade pepper.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love the flavors of fresh onions and herbs and things
Yeah.
like that. I really love this.
Yeah.
I love the classic, but I like this a
This one
lot.
is different, yeah.
Yes.
And it's the same pork, you know, it's just the added seasonings adds a whole other dimension to it. So it's like jazzed up.
Right. Okay, so now we try with the sauce. Let me make sure I get some pepper on here. So all the sauces made in house by you.
Yes, of course.
And
the
it's
pepper
the
sauce as
ratios.
well.
The ratios that matter. So not everyone can do it. Not everyone can make soy sauce and ketchup.
Yeah?
This is why I'm a sauce girl. Sauce just elevates it.
Yeah.
Okay, you win.
Yay!
There was a prize and you win.
Thank you. I'm so glad you liked it.
Thank you so much.
Awesome. You're welcome.
What did you eat today?
Wild and tame meat.
Which one did you get? Which wild meat? Which tame meat?
I eat.
Because we had iguana earlier.
I eat oxtail
Okay. Tame
and wild hog.
and the wild hog. Which one did you like more?
The two of them.
Both of them? You like them
Can't tell
the
which
same?
one is which.
You couldn't? What did you have in your side?
Dumpling
Okay.
and provision.
Did you eat anywhere else in here ever before?
No, this is the first time I've been to here and the food here is gorgeous.
Would you
Words cannot
suggest it?
explain.
Okay. So I should go back and get that.
Yeah,
Okay.
for sure. And the oxtail too, best.
That's what we like to hear. Food recommendations. Okay. Well, I think you should try Chrissy's pork.
Next time.
Okay, and also you should get a juice from over here.
Next time. The
Next
belly
time.
full, I can't move right now.
Me neither.
Right down to the line up.
Right down to the lie down.
Okay, so in your dressing room, on your rider, you want wild hog on it now.
If I could get it, yes, why not?
Okay. I'll put in a word for you.
Okay, no
All right.
problem. Yeah.
Okay, so we made it to our last vendor. We're at Tuk Tuk. This is Asian street food, a fusion vibes. We're gonna go with chicken dumplings because those are my fave. Let's do it. Can we please order the chicken dumplings? Thank you. When it vibrates or beeps, ours is up. If you didn't know what a Tuk Tuk is, at least they have these beautiful drawings of Tuk Tuks right here. Oh my gosh, those are beautiful. See that all of that is chili oil, green onions, we have some cabbage, sesame seeds, and it smells tremendous. Beautiful. Okay. Just the right amount of crispy and softness. I know I've been saying this a lot, but I recommend these highly. Well, at this point, I feel like you gotta roll us out of here. Again, this is Woodbrook Yard at 139 Tragarete. This is the place to come.